So far we have studied about the relation in 11th class also. Now today our topic of discussion is the concept of function that we have already discussed in class 11. So let us have a look at this, and actually this is in your syllabus also. In 11th class actually this was the introductory part introduced, but in 12th class this must maybe asked from, one short question may be asked from this part. So let first we look at the definition of function. If we look at this, if x and y are two non-empty sets, then a subset of Cartesian product of x cross y is called a function or mapping or map from set x to set y. If and only if for every element x belongs to x, there exists a unique element y belongs to y such that xy belongs to f. And representation of any function is, we will read this as f such that x from y. So this is the definition of function. Now we can understand this by a figure. Let's have a figure here. What is there? X and y are two non-empty sets. Means they have, both sets have elements. The elements of x are 1, 2 and elements of y are a, b, c. Okay. So f will be a function when this f is a subset of x cross y. And we better know that in the long class we have already studied that x cross y is the Cartesian product of set x and y. And the subset of x cross y, subset of x cross y, subset of x cross y is always a relation, or you can say a function. But in what case that relation will be a function, we will discuss today here. So let's have this some features here of the function. First one is that for every element of x, there must exist an element y in y set y such that xy belongs to the function f. Now you can see from this feature that for every element, you can look at here 1 and 2 are the element of x, and for these two element of x there must exist an unique element in y. So you can look at easily here that one have a and the one is associated with b also, and 2 is also associated with c. But here we have to check whether this is a function or not. So we have to go for the second feature here also, that any relation is a function. How we can consider that as a function? So second property is there, no two order pair have the same first component. That is, no element of set x have more than one image in y. Now you can look easily here, since according to the definition, for every element of x that must be associated with y, but no same time no two order pair must have the same element. You can see here, if we are writing this in order pair form, this first one, so we can write this as 1 is associated with a and again 1 is associated with b. Now see here, according to the second feature, no two order pair have the same first element. Here are two order pairs, and both order pair, the first component have association with same first component of two order pair have different element in y. So this should not be happen in the case of function. This is a relation, but this cannot be a function because one is associated with a and again one is associated with b. So this is spoiling the feature second, the property second. So this is a relation, this cannot be a function. Similarly here, third property of a function, there may be element y in y, means element of y which are not associated with any element of x. Now you can see in second figure, here in y there may be some element which are not associated with any element of x. So this may happen. So in this case this is a relation as well as this is a function, because you can see here one have a unique image a, 2 has a unique image A, but here B is not image of any element of X, so this may be happen. So in this case, this is a function, and this is only relation, this is not a function. Then again come to the third point. There may be element y in y which are not associated with any element of X, that we have already covered. The fourth property is there, distinct, or you can say different element of X may have, look at here, same image in Y. I have mentioned here also and here also. You can easily see that one have image A and again two have same image. This may happen. It means you can say that different element of set X may have same image in Y. So in this condition, this will always be a function. But here B is left, so it may not happen. If B don't have any pre-image in X, so you can say that this is again a function. Now have a look at this third figure. 1, 2, 3 are the element of X and A, B, C are the element of Y. Now we have to check whether this function is a relation or not. So already yes, this is a relation, but we have to check for function. So see here, 1 have associated with A, 2 is association with A, again B and C are left here, no problem, but an element is left here in X and this element don't have any image in Y. So this is not fulfilling the first property. So this third figure is not satisfying this. Here the sign is for all. X belongs to X, there must belong Y belongs to Y. So here 3 is an element of X which don't have any image in Y. So in this condition, this is also not a function. So only this is a function.